All right, guys, we are out here in the storm. We got the homies out here. We got my rig. We got Roland's rig. You got Jeff. You have Ant. You got the main man, Ro Puckett, over there. And you got also Bo and Bo's friend and the old school rigs over here. Show you where they're at. Look, but we got these rigs with us, so we got the whole crew. But we're gonna head out and then see how this goes. So, and down.
Hey, Charles, what's up?
What's up? So they said come snow wheeling today. Be a good time. Yeah, it's good, all right. My buddy Ro's like 20 feet in front of me. I mean, Bo's like 20 feet in front of me. And then we got Anthony back there. He's somewhere back there, I swear. But yeah, we are. It's definitely storm now. Like.
So if you're wondering what that squeaking noise is, that's actually my windshield. I've been dealing with this issue for a long time, but my windshield seems to squeak when it rains and it's wet and the truck is bouncing around and wheeling and stuff like that. It's never been an issue. It's been like this for years, and it doesn't actually leak either. So, but if you're curious, that's actually what's going on.
All right, looks like we made it to the end of the road. It's fresh tracks.
What are you talking about? I got a road right here.
I know you're making road. So we got Jeff and Bo knocking out a trail, but we are in fresh powder now. Mr. Jeff there.
Push it, 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 yeah.
We are in fresh pow pow. We are the first on this section of Met. We got Bo leading the crew. We got road running tail gunner. But we having a good old ball. You stuck?
So as we're making our way up the road, up the hill, I guess you could say, Anthony gets stuck. Just, he's a little off. He, kind of went into the bank there, trying to break trail on his own. So we, pulled a snatch strap out, or the recovery strap out, and he opted to get pulled going forward. But as you'll see in a little bit, as soon as we get him out, and I try to follow, I kind of get stuck. So here's a technique or something I learned a long time ago about snow wheeling is you never want to spin. Like as I go forward right here, you notice I start to just kind of shake, but that's because I'm losing traction. So I'm spinning, so I stop the spinning and I reverse. And what you want to do is rock it back and forth. You don't want to spin because you'll dig. So the idea behind it is you want to just slowly move. If you can move an inch, you're not stuck. So you rock it back and forth. So that's what I did in this situation here. I'm actually one of the smaller tires. All the other guys are on 37s. But so here I am just kind of rocking it, going forward a little bit, packing the snow in, stop the no wheel spin, reverse, pack it, and go forward again. And then eventually I get enough traction to move forward. So it's a good skill to learn if you're gonna snow wheel.
Just route it there because I'm probably gonna use it again. Just throw it on there. Alright guys, as you can see, we're in a little bit of a blizzard here. It's kind of wild right now. We got a G Wagon and a Jeep trying to bust trail.
Come on. I'm clear back here. Oh, you're more than clear. That thing doesn't have a camera. All right, now you're getting close. All right. We're turning on Dave right now. Dave's getting turned on now.
It's got a gig.
Oh, that's not enough.
Pull it harder than that.
Yeah, you got it.
Stock they weigh 56. Oh, okay. Yeah. So all loaded up trucks maybe weighs about 72.
I'm about 73.
Yeah, so that's about 75.
Because I got hella crap in my shit.
Oh my.
I had a friend who took me out and I would be able to stock for about a year and a half before I even modded my truck.
That's the way you do it.
You know, then I found out,
So we gonna turn around or what?
oh, it's up to you
I
guys.
thought you guys were gonna break trail for us.
We did all the way here.
Yeah, all the way here.
I don't have my. Yeah, I hit that shit fast. How you get the boat? I was thinking about it, but well, that's the words you got. You're on home. Yeah, back up. You want me to drive it?
Oh shit.
That's messed up, bro.
You want me to drive, Jeff?
Watch out, watch out. See? If he can get right, it's a little better on the right.
There. Now come this way.
There you
Yep,
go.
just like that. You let go of
There
the
you
gas.
go.
You gotta idle into it. You want to be on the gas before you hit the boat.
Yeah,
okay?
that's up.
To the right a little bit.
That's messed up.
Just go straight. Straight. Come on, gas.
Yeehaw! That looks like it's promising now. We're going at least another mile.
Yeah, another mile, like an hour. We'll be there in an hour.
We go until we don't have no gas. Get on top of it. There you go.
Just don't forget to let go of that gas. A little more right, Jeff. Yeah. Yeah. That ought to get you stuck.
How to get you stuck.
This is a big junior right here, man.
Oh.
Come back.
There you go.
Go. You need to go right for it. Here's the track. I'll show you where the track is.
Yep, we're going. We're moving. We're moving forward, everybody. Follow us. We follow Dave.
Put your hoodie on. Your hoodie's not even on, bro.
I'm fucking think right back in the jail, man. Damn, I should have taught him that. The pig.
Dude, yeah, promise you now.
That's hella deep.
Don't go left.
Don't go left.
Go left.
No, you're still moving. You're still moving. Slow. Just baby it. Rock it. If you can move an inch, you're not stuck. Oh my God.
Shaw can't move, dude. Shaw's stuck. Hey, we need a pull for Shaw, dude.
Hold on, I got it. Oh my God.
Dude, that's why I was like, hey, I was like, come left. I fucking shot down. I was like, no, come left.
Spread the weight out.
I'm gonna get snowshoes.
Spread the weight out.
I'm gonna get some snowshoes.
I gotta spread the weight out. All right, so now what's going on here is Jeff gave up after giving a good try. It just wasn't going to work. I mean, we were moving, but we were moving slow. I mean, breaking trail just takes so much effort. So we turned around. The G Wagon gave it a shot. He got buried. A group on like 42s and 40s got around, but even they were only maybe 100 yards ahead of him. But at this point, after about 45 minutes, we realized his buddy in the Jeep, the tan Jeep, wasn't going to get him out. So Bo offered his services. We turned around and offered his winch. And so now what we're doing here is pulling winch line, and they're going to hook up 2 winches and get the G Wagon out. And with the 2 winches, it came out pretty easily. It wasn't much fuss, which is what we want. And then we all got turned around, and after this, started heading down the hill. What?
He's down, no, he's in it.
I look very.
Yeah,
It's like almost over his head.
Oh my god. See, that's the one thing with the portals, man.
So they're gonna double winch. See if that works.
Reggie couldn't pull it by himself then, huh?
I don't know. I don't know what's going on. But they're gonna double winch and see if we can get him out. He's hella buried. Oh, sorry. I didn't see if I'm like, I'm backing up. What the hell? My bad. Just.
Ready?
safety. Yeah, I always like to stand a little further away. No, don't spin. You're just digging. Whoa. Easy peasy.
Lost my phone, so like, yeah? Oh, that's done.
Hope that is yours.
You can't feel it. That's why with the gloves on. Huh?
Is that thing running? Oh, okay. Because your lights are on in front.
Yeah, I've been running it.
Well, what's Roland doing? Turn around?
I think everyone's starting to turn.
I think it looks like, Jeff turned around.
Yeah, Jeff turned around. I think everyone's gonna turn.
Here comes Tim Wardlow behind you. He's gonna fucking cut a trail now.
Well, he's a veteran of the game. So, and he has this super light rig.
Fuck yeah, he does.
So it's kind of unfair. Big tires, super light rig.
Oh, man.
He just floats.
Little V6.
Yeah, he just
fucking gobble.
floats. Yeah, he just floats, man. The big boys are here now.
He just fucking digs and then digs out.
Man, that thing's so clean.
What'd you say, Bo? That's Tim. He's gonna cut it. Oh, he's gonna get around the G Wagon? So are we turning around the four wheel or what?
So we came across this 4Runner all by himself, stuck. My buddy Jeff decided to pull him out. He had his whole family, stock 5th gen 4Runner. Wasn't air down, street tires. He had a shovel at least, but no other recovery gear. And didn't seem like he knew what he was doing. Didn't want to air down, even though we offered to air him back up. Jeff pulled him out, and then we tell him, hey, just wait for us. We're gonna go together. He decides, I'm just gonna take off. He takes off. I mean, he floors it, does 40 miles an hour, just takes off like super fast, and then we see him hit like an embankment, kind of catch some air, and it just lands in the embankment where he's at currently. So we're like, what the hell? So we ended up, we couldn't leave him. He had his family with him. So Ro offered to give it another shot. And here Ro is kind of prepping. The guy's shoveling some snow to get, make it easier to recovery. And we're going to hook him up and get him out.
Nope.
You got a double pull. Come up here and do a double pull. So stuck, you pulled my ass in sideways. Come get me. Hey, Roland, you may have to come get me. Okay, I don't know if he knows, but he's backing up right now. He keeps trying to back up. I don't know if he was backing up when you pulled or what, but something, because when I pulled him, it pulled my ass in. I don't know if he was in forward, but he pulled my ass in sideways. In reverse. Yeah. Are you stuck? Yeah, I'm stuck, but I can get out. You're gonna have to do a double pull.
What are you doing, stupid truck boss?
You're gonna have to straighten up, turn hard left, and back up over the strap, and get back onto the side. Keep coming back, keep coming back, keep coming back, keep coming back. Okay, you're good. Go ahead and slam it forward.
So Ro gave it a good try, but Ro got kind of yanked into the bank himself, so he needed his son Roland, who's in the 80 series in front of me, to give him a double pull. And after about a couple pops and got him out, we were on the way. But just goes to show you, if you're not prepared for the stuff and you don't have you don't have friends or stuff like that, please don't go out. You don't want anyone getting hurt, but at the same time, you just gotta be a little smarter about your decisions here. So.
Go for it. That knob whoops.
Alright guys, we're aired up now and we're gonna head on home. So we made it down the mountain, safe and sound.
Now I gotta order another one on Amazon.
$9.99 special.
$9.99.
Yeah.
You guys were only like 20 feet away.
I couldn't see in front of my hood anymore.
Yeah, I was like, going down that hill was sketchy too, because I luckily started pressing the light.